Mabuhay, Chelsea Manalo! She captivated everyone with her sweet smile and wonderful personality. Pinaghandaan talaga ni Chelsea ang Miss Universe 2024, and she was determined to make us proud. Well, Chelsea had an amazing performance. The competition was grabe kahirap. 125 girls from all over the world competed, the largest number of participants at the Miss Universe. Pero pinakita ni Chelsea ang kanyang palaban na spirit, the Filipino spirit. She walked that runway, she showcased her form and
Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Sa vlog na ito is ating panunuorin itong naging reaksyon ng ating kandidata dito sa ginanap na Miss Universe 2024. At atin rin pong panunuorin itong overall reaction ni Diane Castillejo, itong mainstream reporter na nag-cover dito sa ating contestant sa MU 2024 at ano nga ba ang mga susunod na plano ni Chelsea. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So dito si Diane Castillejo po ang mainstream reporter na nag-cover at nagbigay sa atin ng update dito sa ginanap na Miss Universe 2024 sa Mexico sa pamamagitan ng ating kandidata na si Chelsea Manalo. At ang pinaka-latest po ngayon na update is si Chelsea nasa US pa rin. I think nasa California po siya at ini-enjoy niya yung kanyang bakasyon kasama ang kanyang pamilya. So maganda ang naging representation ni Chelsea dito sa ating bansa doon sa Mexico. And mga kapolitika, magiging kinumpirma nitong reporter na si Diane Castillejo na magiging busy. Okay, maging puno ang schedule ni Chelsea Manalo dito bilang representative ng Miss Universe Asia. Schedule itong si Chelsea Manalo para sa World Tour. So mas maganda itong nangyari dito na kinurnahan siya bilang Miss Universe Asia kaysa doon sa mga runner-up na kung saan ay pinauwi lang. At ang magiging representative nga ng Asia ay itong si Chelsea Manalo. At marami ang naiinggit dito sa kanyang pa-award, especially itong si Thailand. But si Upal nga ang sabi niya ay kontento na daw siya doon sa kanyang naging award na bilang third runner-up. So ito yung ating mga abangan, mga kapolitika sa mga susunod na mga commitment ni Chelsea Manalo dito sa Miss Universe na kung saan ay ililibot siya all around the world para i-promote yung kailang beauty contest. So dito sa naging reaction naman ni Diane Castillejo sa naging performance ni Chelsea ay masasabi natin na maganda ang pagka-represent at yung kanyang naging performance doon sa nasabing beauty contest. So narito ang kabuuan ng reaksyon at opinion ni Diane Castillejo dito sa naging performance ng ating kandidata na si Chelsea Manalo dito sa Miss Universe 2024.
Mabuhay, Chelsea Manalo! She captivated everyone with her sweet smile and wonderful personality. Pinaghandaan talaga ni Chelsea ang Miss Universe 2024, and she was determined to make us proud. Well, Chelsea had an amazing performance. The competition was grabe kahirap. 125 girls from all over the world competed, the largest number of participants at the Miss Universe. Pero pinakita ni Chelsea ang kanyang palaban na spirit, the Filipino spirit. She walked that runway, she showcased her form and her fitness and her wonderful, wonderful Filipina smile. It was so nice to see Chelsea compete in Mexico City. From the preliminary competition to the day-to-day activities, we could see that she was really doing her best in everything that she did. And she made a wonderful friendship with her roommate, Miss Peru. And of course, she made it to the top 30. She didn't make it to the next cut, to the top 12. But then again, we saw Chelsea come out in her evening gown. She looked so wonderful. After the finals, nakausap ko si Chelsea. She said she did her best and that she was proud to have given it her all. But after that, a big surprise sa press conference. It was announced that siya ang napili bilang Miss Universe Asia. Sobrang tuwa ni Chelsea. That means that she will be traveling with Miss Universe 2024 from Denmark, si Victoria, and she will also be traveling within the continent. And it was also so nice to witness Chelsea hug her mom and her dad, who have been her #1 supporters, and her team, Manny Halasan, Attorney Ron Gamboa, and of course, Seven Barreto, and the whole gang at the Miss Universe Philippines organization led by Mr. Jonas Gaput. Actually, kasabay ko sila sa flight papuntang Los Angeles. That is her next stop. She's gonna have some downtime and she deserves it. She's been working so hard talaga the last 6 months to prepare for the Miss Universe.
We're going to be extending our stay in Los Angeles para lang for 2 weeks or a week. But I'm gonna take the most out of it to spend my time with them. We're going to be going around LA, going to Las Vegas kasi we have some family in Las Vegas too.
Bukod sa pagiging beauty queen, bukas din si Chelsea na subukan ang pag-aartista.
Kung ano man yung opportunity na dumating sa akin, I would take it. Kung meron mang showbiz, why not?
Dream role or dream kapareho?
Ah.
Or dream na maka-eksena? if ever?
Superstar. Yun na lang.
And then after that, she's coming back to the Philippines. Pero sabi niya, naghihintay rin siya to see whether she will have some schedules as Miss Universe Asia. So congratulations, Chelsea. We're so proud of you. Big hugs. Mabuhay.